If you're in search of some ways to add some extra sportiness to your 2013 through 2018 Ram 1500, this pre-painted MMD tailgate spoiler is a mod that you should be considering. Now this is a great addition for the Ram owner who prefers the street style or kind of track look compared to an off-road style truck and wants some mods to complement that appearance. Now not only will this add a muscular look to the back, but it's also pre-painted in-house to your specific color code, so you won't have to worry about any extra work, and it's also an easy no-drill install, so you won't have to worry about modifying your truck in order to get this look, if that's what you're going for. Now this features a very sporty appearance with a ducktail shaped build and detailing to add some aggressiveness to the look of the spoiler. Now it's also a pretty subtle choice compared to other larger options, so while you are getting that track vibe, it isn't going to be over the top with its sizing being fairly low profile. Now while this is also mainly for looks, there is a small performance element tied to it, especially if you pair this with a tonneau cover, ultimately helping your truck's aerodynamics and potentially offering a small bump in efficiency with the drag reduction, which is a nice bonus. Now this is made of an ABS plastic construction, which is super common for aftermarket exterior parts because of its resilience to the elements over time, the lightweight nature of the material holding up well when it's mounted, and the fact that it's easily moldable so you get a quality fit. Now this particular option is also fully prepped and painted for you by us in our facility and will match your specific color code depending on which one you choose. I have the silver metallic on the table, but we also have a standard black option listed if you want this to be more of a darker accent compared to matching your color code. This again also has a very easy installation process, including multiple strips of 3M tape on the backing in order to mount it up, keeping it very simple and requiring no drilling when it comes to the install. Now this is about $175 to $450 depending on what color you need for your truck. Now the standard universal black will be the most cost-effective choice, and then you have white, black, granite crystal, silver metallic. Those are going to be the premium options. Now that choice is really what makes this spoiler unique, considering that most usually come unpainted and do require prep and paint, which may be an extra hassle that you might not want to tackle when it comes to adding mods to your truck. Now, it's also a hassle-free way to add on a lot of style without doing any modifications. And again, it is a bit more subtle compared to other larger choices. So those are some of the features that are on your list when you're shopping for a spoiler. This is a great one to consider. Now install is again very easy, a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you only about a half hour in order to install it. At this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can get this onto the back of your Ram at home. That wraps it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Today we're going to be installing a tailgate spoiler on our Ram 1500. Let's get into it. First, we're going to wipe down this whole surface with the automotive adhesion promoter that comes with the kit. Now we're going to put on our tailgate spoiler, and to prepare it, we want to pull back these little adhesion tabs like this. You just want to fold them over. We're going to do it to all of them. Then after you've done that to all of the tape, you're going to want it to line it up evenly on the truck, like this, and then you're going to push it down. Now that we have it lined up, you're going to pull the little red tabs. Then you want to push down, just like that. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the MMD Tailgate Spoiler pre-painted for a 2013 to 2018 Ram 1500. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything Ram 1500, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.